Hey everyone! So today I want to try something a little different. This is an 8 by 20 canvas, and we're going to get out our handy dandy little funnel. I'm going to try putting a nice big dose of white down and running a dirty cup through the funnel underneath the white, and then we'll stretch it out and see what we get. So first off, we have to make our dirty cup. So the colors I'm using today are indigo from Lucas, which is this beautiful ink blue, but it does pull purple sometimes. Liquitex Prism Violet, Liquitex Brilliant Purple, and Lucas Gold Bronze, of course, my new favorite color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray this cup though so I can get all the paint out. And I'm using the WD-40 silicone spray in the black can. That's available in my Amazon shop as well. This funnel comes with a measuring cup, and that's also available in my Amazon shop. So if you've seen the last video that I did where I poured with the funnel, or with the measuring cup part of that, that's the piece that goes inside it. So, okay, so I'm going to start with indigo, and then the gold bronze. Then I'll add the prism violet and the bright purple. I think I'll put a little interference violet in there as well. And I'm going to do just a little bit more. And I'm going to have to clean these bottles because they all spit up. Okay, just a little bit more. It's not going to make a big difference with the white. If I was using black, you'd really see it, but this is good for what I'm going to do it for. Alright, so I want to get the white down. This is the white base. The recipe for this is below the video, as well as how we mix our colors. All of our paints have silicone in them that are in the bottles, and if we aren't using silicone, we will let you know. Alright, so I want to start up here, so I'm going to just pour this dirty cup in there. This is a lot of paint, so we're going to have a lot of color. And we're just going to let that go underneath that white. If it starts to go. There we go. It's fun when you can't see it. So you have no clue what's going on under there. But we have a little peeker there. Okay. So let's go ahead and torch that. I almost want to run a skewer through. Alright, so let's dump side to side first and get some of that white off. Because this is definitely going to be kind of like an injection pour. I'm really hoping we didn't like dump all the color off. Okay, so now that we have that all off, I think we need to let it sit. It's very cool just the way it is right now. I'll make sure my corners are covered. Yes, they're white and I can't tell. Alright, let me wipe my hands. I'm going to give it a quick torch and then we're going to let it set for 10 minutes. Because they're going to come through. Alright, 10 minutes and I'll be right back. For you, it's only a couple seconds. Okay, and I'm back and look at all the cells. Holy cow. I wasn't expecting this much, that's for sure. A lot of these came up on their own. I did hit it with the torch before I brought you back, which gave me some more little ones, which will probably grow as well. But it's really cool. It was fun to do. Something different to try, and I got beautiful runoff. I can make some skins, but I'm very happy with that. So subscribe if you haven't already, and click on that bell, and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this technique. It was very fun. And of course, cleaning the funnel will not be fun. That's not my job, right? So join our group, the Proj Posse, on Facebook. Check out my art page on Facebook as well, Christina Welch Art, where we post all of our updates of what's coming up. And also each video that we list every day is also listed there as well for a direct link. And shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. You can get that funnel and measuring cup and have fun with that. The airbrush, I did hit this with the airbrush just a little bit right here to bring this corner out. And the torch, the pads, the tray, everything is in our Amazon shop. So have fun shopping there. And you can purchase other things too. We can make a few pennies off your purchases, but it doesn't cost you anything to shop with us. Check out our Etsy shop for our jewelry. And we will be putting some paintings up there. First week in July, I'll have a helper here, Miss Kaylee. So we'll get that done. And also, if you're looking for the resin, the Stone Coat Art Coat resin, we have a code below to save you $10. This definitely would be absolutely gorgeous resin. Actually could use a little glitter in there too. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Have yourselves a great one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.